Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about how to find the week sales for each month wise. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on SSIS and Power BI as well as SQL Server development and performance tuning. So now let's go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand today's video. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'll try to explain each and every step what I've done here. So before getting the details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I have imported to design this report under. Okay, so go to the fields. Now we can see that dim customer, geography, product, sales territory, dim date, category, subcategory, internet sales. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. So understanding a relationship, it's very important in Power BI. We'll try to see that is also. So go to the model, collapse these two, scroll down a little bit. Now we can see that already I have enabled the relationship. For example, if I place the mouse over here, we can see that based on these two key column, I have enabled the relationship between the product and internet sales. So even you can understand what kind of direction it is. It's like one direction to many direction. It means that filter propagation of flowing from the dimension table to the fact tables. So likewise, I have enabled the relationship for other tables also. So in upcoming sessions, we'll try to focus on more on this. So for timing, we'll try to understand today's report design only. So we have two pages. So this is the month-wise sales, and we have one slicer, a year slicer. Based on the year selection, we are displaying the month. Okay, it's very simple. But what I'm doing here is based on the month selection. So with respect to the year, in any year, either 2002, 3, 4, if I select any year, I'm going to display months. So within the month, if I click on drill down to further level, I want to see the detailed information about weeks. What are the weeks available within the month? I want to see the detailed information. For example, we have currently in 2003 selection. So in September month, if you want to see the details, so just right click, go to the drill through. So go to this page. So now we can see that in 2003 September month, so this is the complete week detail information. So it means that, so this is what is the total sales in the September month and 2003. So with respect to the each sales, what is the profit in week 36 in September month, what is the total sales and profit, week 37, 38, 39, 40. And also here we can see that, so week to date in total sales as well as profit. Okay, so this is the week to date total sales, this is the week to date profit. So we can understand clearly, so which week is doing more, which week is not doing. And also here we can see that already I have explained one of the report, so how to design this and all. So this gives the complete information about the previous week. So with respect to the current week, what is the previous sales, week sales, I mean it is more or less. So even we are displaying completely like how much percentage is more, how much percentage is less. So we are displaying all information related to week with respect to the selected month in any specific year. So this is, so sales profit, this is the week to date sales profit, and this is the previous week sales with compared to the current week. So whether it is more or not, like that we can see the detailed information in the year. Okay, so if I go back to the, so if you want to go, so we just click on, so we can select any month. For example, if I click on July, just drill through final page. Now you can see that, so July month related information about all weeks we can see here. So which week is doing more and what is the week to date sales, so we can understand clearly, so each and every information here. Okay, if you want to go back to again, now you can choose any week, any year. So in 2002, for example, if you want to see the February sales information with week wise, so just right click, go to the drill through. Now you can see. So in February month in 2002, so this is the profit, sale, profit as well as total sales, and with respect to the week to date sales as well as profit, and this is the detailed information comparing the previous week sales. So likewise I have designed the report, so I'll try to show so what kind of expressions I have written to get this report done. So go to the fields, just click on here. So here total sales, try to zoom it. So for getting the total sales I have used the calculate sum x function, and for total profit, so for finding the total profit also I have used the calculate sum x function. So for finding the week to date sales, I'll try to see yeah, for week to date profit, so I'm just capturing what are the value we are selecting in the parent level, so year and month, and also I'm taking the max week number. So based on that, so I'm just calculating the week to date profit, and also we'll try to see the week to date sales also. Okay, this is same week to date, just we are changing the column name only. It's like whatever we have done with respect to the week to date profit, same as it is except this column name only. Okay, so likewise I have designed this report. So these are the text boxes, these are the cards. So already I have explained all this information in the previous video, so if you did not watch, try to watch it so that you'll get more understanding so what kind of expressions I have used there. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions and queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So thank you for your support. So I got 50 subscribers, so thank you so much for watching. Keep subscribe and share it with friends, colleagues if you like my videos. Thank you so much.